In this module, we'll be looking at the lead conversion process. That is, how can we convert a lead into an account, contact, or an opportunity. We're currently on the home page in Salesforce, and let's navigate to the Leads tab. We can either pick one of the leads from the dummy data that's already available here, or alternatively create a new one by clicking on the new button on the top right corner. A new lead form pops open. We can fill in all the following details and click Save. So let's pick a pre-existing lead for this example. And upon clicking on it, we can see all the related info on the lead we have selected. Now, there are a couple of ways in which you can convert a lead. We could click on the Convert button here on the top right corner. Alternatively, we could select Converted option from the lead path. So let's say we select Closed, Not Converted, and then we would click on Mark as Current Status to lock our choice. Or we could go down to the Details tab, scroll down, click on Lead Status, and then select the relevant lead status from the drop-down menu and click on Save to secure our changes. So for this example, let's click on the Convert button. Now you have the option to create an account, contact, or an opportunity. Salesforce gives us the option upon conversion to either create a new or choose an existing account, contact, or opportunity. Now under opportunity, you also have an option to not create an opportunity upon conversion. So in case if somebody does not want to create an opportunity, they can click on the checkbox here. For now, I will unselect this. So going back to our example, we can click Convert. A new account, contact, and opportunity will be created. And once we click on Go to Leads, you will notice that the lead we just converted no longer appears in the lead list view. So if we go under Contacts, we will see that the lead we just converted appears here. And the same will also be true for accounts and opportunities. Here.